Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to create any of the cheetah into your Unreal Engine's game project to make the cheetah to become the main avatar and also the NPC of the game with game animations. First, you need to have the iClone 7. Under the iClone 7, you click the avatar templates at the avatar. Then you can see that you have an animal world volume 4. Inside there you have a cheetah eye avatar. You drag it out. And next you must make sure you already install the iClone Unreal Live link. At the same time, in your Unreal Engine project, you must already have the iClone Unreal Live link. Both must be already installed at iClone and Unreal Engine. Next, in your iClone 7, you open the iClone Unreal Live link and select this cheetah. Make sure you untick everything and only tick the cheetah. Click transfer the file. It will be transferred into Unreal Engine after a while. Once it finishes transfer, then it will automatically pop out at here. You just need to wait for a while. Now you can see already finished transfer, and the cheetah skeleton mesh already be here. Right, next you close this verse. You back to your iClones here. The cheetah is selected. You click edit in 3D Exchange. Let the cheetah be in 3D Exchange 7. Next, you back to iClone 7. Go back to the contents, click the motions. Under the motion file, you go and find the animal world volume 4. You have a cheetah there. All of these are cheetah's animations. You right click here, find the file. It will open by using the file explorer. Next, in your 3D Exchange 7, you have to import the animation from here. Alright, now you have to drag from the right hand side until you can see the motion library. The motion library is here. So import everything into the motion library. You just need to drag and drop everything in. Next, you click add all to perform. And now you back to your desktop. You have to export it as FBX file. Back to here. On your desktop, you right click and create a new folder. Name it as cheetah01. Next, in your iClone 3D Exchange 7, you want to export the FBX file into here. Click export the FBX file. The target tool preset here, you choose Unreal Engine. Untick here, you untick the include animations. The file name you put as cheetah01. And the destination, you have to use this destination here. Paste. Alright, now you click OK and click OK again. It will export as FBX file here. Next, you want to export the animation. You click export as FBX file as well. The target tool preset, you choose Unreal Engine. Now for this time, you exclude the geometry, and the file name you still have to type as cheetah01. Now you click OK and click OK. It will export it here. All of the FBX that include the animations. Now you back to your Unreal Engine. You back to the contents. Create a folder named Animals, and then you create another new folder. Name it as cheetah01. Enter. Double click in the folder. At this moment, we want to import all the FBX file. Just now, the cheetah01 FBX, you drag and import into here. Then you click import all and wait for a while. Once you finish import, you have to close this. Now, you have to wait until all the texture are complete. Now it is still gray color. You have to wait for a while. Now, once you see all the texture already completed, what we call the shaders, you double click the cheetah 01. Now, you can see that actually the texture have some problems here. We want to change it here, element 1, make it become from cheetah default to cheetah default trial instance. This is the material instance. Now, should be no problem already. Next one is here, this part. The 0 default, you have to change it to become the the default trial instance. So now should be no problem already. Next, you close it. Open a new folder here. You create a new folder. Name it as animation. Next, it is for you to import the animation. Import the animation into this folder. You back to just now. All the cheetah attack, eat, idle, sit down, jump, run, walk, all of this. Import everything. Import into the animation folder. Next, the skeleton, you must choose cheetah 01. And then you can click import all. But before that, you must make sure that the animation length, you choose the animated time, then you click import all. And wait for a while until it finish, import everything. Once it finish imported, it will pop out a message log. You can close the message log. Now you can see all of these are the animations of the cheetah. Next, what we're going to do is back to the cheetah 01 folder. You can see the cheetah 01 skeletons. You right click this, you double click and open it. You must make sure you can see the retarget manager. Call it out here, retarget manager. And now, select rig, you must choose to select the humanoid rig. Then you click save and close. Next, you back to the content folder. Enter the mannequin here. Enter the character folder. Double click the mesh. Double click this skeleton. This is the mannequin skeletons. You must make sure you turn on the retarget manager and also make this rig to become select humanoid rig. Then click save and close. Finally, you go to the mannequin folder again, double click the animations, and right click here, right click the third person animation blueprint, retarget, duplicate animation blueprint and retarget. At this moment, you must choose cheetah 01 skeleton. Next, you click retarget. After that, turn this on, and it is under your animals, cheetah 01, the animation folder is there. You click the first one, hold the shift, and click the last one, drag it into cheetah 01, under that is animation folder, move it there. We don't want to mess up the content folder, so everything categorize it systematically. That is cheetah 01, the animations folder. That's here. Next, you must rename the third person animation blueprint here. You right click, rename, and you put an underscore behind here, underscore, and you name it as cheetah 01. Next, you go into the third person either runs, double click it, you double click this, make sure the first dot you choose the cheetah 01 either, you drag and drop into the first dot. Next, you drag the cheetah 01 walk into the second dot, and finally the cheetah 01 runs, you drag and drop into the last point. That's all. Next, you can just click save and close. Now, you can just have a check. You have a jump animation, this one. Alright, so now, next, we want to make this cheetah to become the main avatar. What you are going to do is, you back to the content folder, go to the third person blueprint, the blueprint here, You can see a third person character is here. You right click it, duplicate. Then after that you rename it by adding an underscore behind, and you name it as cheetah01. Now this is a third person character, cheetah01. You double click it, click the mesh, click the viewport, and now the skeleton mesh, you choose the cheetah01, here. After that you move it to the center so that it is exactly at the center of the capsules. Next, the animation class, you choose the cheetah, the third person animation blueprint cheetah01. Now, next you can compile, and now you play. You close this. Wait. Before that, you need to change some setting. First, you delete the mannequin here. Press delete. Next, you go to the edit, project setting. Go to the maps and modes here. The selected game mode here, the default point class is the main avatar. You change it to become third person character cheetah01. Now you can close this. It will automatically save, and now you try to play. You can see now this cheetah already become the main avatar. You can run, you can walk, you can control it just as a third person avatar. And now you also can make him become an NPC. You press escape. You back to the cheetah01 folder, the animation. And you can put it like NPC there, you put it one here. And another one, you can put as cheetah it at here. You press E so that you can rotate it. Now, you try to play again, you can see these two are the NPCs. These are NPCs, and they are really awesome. Now, that's all for today about how to create a cheetah main avatar and NPC in your Unreal Engine game project. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorial, if you feel all these tutorials are very helpful to your 3D animations and game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy happy animation and game developing. See you.